presenting the 2011 Nissan Titan PRO4X. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: automatic headlights, passenger airbag sensor, locking limited slip differential, steering wheel audio controls, front head airbag, tow hooks, keyless entry, driver illuminated vanity mirror, and bucket seats. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.